Imagine it's the year 2035. You step outside, expecting the usual roar of engines. But instead, you hear nothing. Just a smooth electric hum. Cars gliding like they're running on quiet magic. But suddenly, your AI assistant pops up. Battery at 12%. Nearest charger, 14 minutes. Estimated wait time, 39 minutes. And instantly, your heart rate spikes. That moment, range anxiety panic, is exactly what millions of people fear. But here's something most people don't know. The EV revolution is moving faster than the smartphone revolution. So fast that by the time you finish this video, something about the EV industry will have changed. Hi, I'm Alex, your guide to what's happening in the world, breaking down current events so you stay informed and ahead. Welcome to Rapid Growth Hub, where we help you level up one idea at a time. How EVs took over the world. Electric cars weren't invented by Elon Musk. They were invented before gas cars. Yeah, EVs were actually the cool kids in the 1890s. Women loved them. They were quiet, easy to start, and didn't explode, which is always a plus. So what happened? Oil became cheap. Gas cars got powerful. And EVs died like they were a Windows phone. Fast forward 100 years. A tiny company called Tesla decided to take on the entire auto industry. Instead of making boring eco-cars, they made EVs fast, luxurious, and desirable. And suddenly, the world woke up. China, Europe, the US, India, everyone began pushing EV adoption. Governments added incentives. Car companies panicked. And now, you'll notice something wild. Every major car brand is rushing to electrify everything. There's no turning back. This is not a trend. It's a technological shift as big as the internet. What makes EVs so powerful? Let's break it down like your friendly science teacher who doesn't give homework. EVs run on one core idea: electricity motor instant power. No gears, no combustion, no complicated engine parts. Which means, EVs are freakishly fast. Electric motors deliver instant torque. Even a cheap EV can outrun a BMW at a traffic light. The Tesla Model S Plaid, 0-100 kilometers in 1.99 seconds. That's not a car. That's a roller coaster with doors. 2. They're way cheaper to run. Maintenance, almost zero. A gas car has 2,000 moving parts. An EV has around 20. Oil changes, gone. Engine failures, gone. Transmission repairs, gone. Your wallet, saved. 3. Electricity costs less. Gas, $1.80 per litra. Electricity, $2, $4 for a full charge. For EVs get better with age. Software updates literally upgrade your car overnight. More range. Better autopilot. New features. Imagine your phone. But it's a 2-ton vehicle. The dark side of EVs. Alright, time for honesty. EVs are great, but they're not perfect. Let's rapid fire the real problems. 1. Charging infrastructure. Not enough chargers. Some broken. Some slow. Some too crowded. It's like early Wi-Fi in 2008. It works. 2. Battery mining. Lithium, cobalt, nickel. Mining these has ethical and environmental issues. But companies are moving to sodium-ion, LFP batteries, recycling loops. 3. High purchase price. EVs are still expensive, but battery prices drop every single year. By 2027, EVs could be cheaper than gas cars to buy. 4. Winter range drops. Canadian winter equals your EV loses 20 to 40% range. But heat pumps, preconditioning, and better chemistry are fixing this. None of these are deal breakers. They're growing pains. Remember when phones used to last 4 hours? Exactly. The future of batteries. Here's where things get crazy. Battery tech is evolving so fast. Even your character animations might struggle to keep up. Solid-state batteries. Twice the energy. Half the charging time. Zero fire risk. Toyota claims they'll have commercial models this decade. Graphene batteries. Charge in 8 minutes. Imagine plugging in your car, then unplugging before your coffee order is ready. Sodium-ion batteries. Cheap. Safe. Perfect for cold weather. BYD already launched the first models. EVs versus hybrids versus hydrogen. You're probably thinking, why not just buy a hybrid? Or, what about hydrogen cars? Let's break it down in 10 seconds each. Hybrid. Pros. Reliable, great fuel economy, no charging needed. Cons. Still needs oil, still pollutes, still complex. Hybrids is not equal to future. They're a transition technology. Hydrogen. Pros. Refuels in 5 minutes. Cons. Expensive, dangerous, rare stations, inefficient. Hydrogen is not equal to cars. Hydrogen's future is trucks plus ships. EVs. Pros. Cheap long-term, clean, low-maintenance, fast, smooth. Cons. Charging network, still growing. EVs equals future of personal transportation. This is why every company is betting on electric. The real future. What 2035 will actually look like. Okay, now let's time travel. Close your eyes. Unless you're driving, please don't do that. Scene 1. Self-driving lanes. EVs talking to each other. Your car speeds up, slows down, merges. Perfectly. Road rage. Gone. Except maybe for that one dude in a 2004 Corolla. Scene 2. Wireless charging roads. Some cities are already testing them. As you drive, your battery charges. Charging stations? Optional. Scene 3. Your car powers your home. Blackout? Your EV says, "Relax, I got this," and powers your house for 2 days. Scene 4. Solar-powered cars. Companies like Aptera are building EVs that run on sunlight. Imagine parking at work and gaining range. Scene 5. Flying EVs. Yes, electric drones big enough to carry humans. Dubai, Japan, and the US are already testing air taxis. EVs won't just stay on roads. They'll be in the sky. The real question, should you buy one now? Here's the honest answer. If you can charge at home, an EV is already worth it. If you rely only on public chargers, maybe wait 1-2 years. Infrastructure is exploding. More chargers, faster chargers, cheaper chargers. The EV future isn't coming. It's already here, just unevenly distributed. So, are electric vehicles perfect? No. But the shift is unstoppable. The technology is exponential. And the future is shockingly quiet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of transportation, hit that subscribe button, because here at Rapid Growth Hub, we turn complex topics into simple ideas that make your life better. See you in the next video.